Hey guys, Easy Hack here, and right now we're looking for a Windows 7 exploit, like a rat, something that I can access a Windows 7 with an open port. How would we look for that? Well, let's go and search. Win7 rat GitHub. That's where I always usually start my search for like hacking into 98, Win7, Windows XP, because they're all discontinued systems. They don't update them. So remote administration tool with a multi-platform Java Spring GoRat is a powerful remote access tool for Windows 7. So I think I'm going to try this on my target. Hopefully I don't need access to the computer with this. So okay, here are 7 public repositories. Hierarchy. Richard Telerat. Wait, Telerat is a Python-based remote administration tool that uses Telegram bot API. No. But if you want me to use anything that you hear me read, I will show you how to get it installed, like any one of these, putty or malware. Using Bits admin to download our malware to bypass the defender. Yes, I can't do that. I have to find malware that's already on the system and access the system. Without having access to the system, I have access to the network through the internet, because I have a public IP. I scan an IP. I got all these open ports. Just check the last video I made in the description. Remote hacker probe crash platform rat targeting Windows with multitude of features built in for penetration testers, hacking Trojan, penetration, pen test, hacking tool. A fully undetectable rat for Windows, bypass every kind of antivirus, give you a CMD shell in your terminal. Okay, that would be awesome. Simple exe file. No, that's not what we're looking for. I think what we're looking for is the very first one. It has 384 stars. Well, looks like this is the one that everybody uses. So let's do it. Okay, guys, let's use this. Jellyfish Serpentine. So we're gonna get clone this like that. So we're gonna copy that. We're gonna go burn up a Linode Kali desktop, right? Linode. Here we go. We want to go to our Linode manager here, guys. Boom. This is my magical thing. Not found anyways. We're gonna go to our Linoids here. I just was using one today. We're gonna boot that up and use it. Power on, baby. We're turning on the magical hacking powers. I feel like a hacker. I feel like a hacker, baby. It's booting. When this says booting, that yellow booting thing, that means we are ready to go. Now remember, we already sudo updated this. We already sudo app installed nmap. We sudo app cloned auto scan, auto capital S, and then all lowercase CAND. So everything's lowercase case and auto scan, and then we scanned the IP that we had, our target IP address. So now that this is all going good, we're gonna open up putty. This is all basic stuff. Everybody knows what we're doing here, right? We're gonna open up putty and we're gonna connect to this shell we just started, and then we're gonna use that shell to do our hacking. Sounds pretty cool, eh? Putty it is. P-U-T-T. This just shows you how much I actually use like Windows. I don't actually make it so I can use it easy. And shortcuts are all over the place, right? We're logging as root. Enter. I'm going. Enter. Okay. Or hush login to hide this. Oh, whatever. Anyways. You guys ready to go? You guys ready to do some magic? You guys ready to try out this thing and see if we can magically access that Windows 7 machine I scanned earlier today? Okay, let's do it. Here we go. Take a deep breath. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it. Okay, now let's get to our GitHub with our Jafar Leha Serpentina C++ code. That should be magical enough. We're gonna copy it here. We're going into our putty baby. We're gonna go GIT. Then we're gonna go CLONE. Then we're gonna paste a jazz. So last time I did that nmap thing, that was to get all the cool nmap things I needed to get. So now that that's done, we're gonna go down here and read the README file. Okay, it's all self-explanatory. Once you know little scripts there, you can get by pretty good. So there's probably no install, keyloggers, reversal, using netcat as a client listed on port NC 5.5, request reversal connection to that port, reverse proxy, take screenshots, remote desktop using Qt Serpentine front end work in progress. Input is still in development, and that is what I actually wanted to do. Because if this feature was not a work in process and that was going good, I should have been able to use this feature to not actually run the reverse proxy on the victim machine, because that means you have to at least like pop a USB stick in or do the USB rubber ducky, where we don't have that access because my victim machine is at my grandma's house in Prairie Sound. So think about that. But okay, so build server with mbn package and then run the jar with 2 arguments, and then this would be the Java jar target serpentine, and we would check out client, would be getting started with Windows, change client settings and config H. So this is the part that you do on the client end, right? Because you're the server end and your client's calling to you, and then you're the server saying, hey client, the server, you know, this is we don't have access to that. So let's go back to our research. I'm sorry guys. See, Windows 7, 835 stars. I should have went remote administration tool. Ooh, look at all those stars. Yes, payloads, all those things. See, Swiss Sky repo, payloads, all the things. So this is nice stuff. Awesome hacking resource, a collection of hacking, penetration, testing resource to make you better, exploit, reverse engineering, malware, middle hacking, OWASP, penetration testing, CTFs, the art of hacking. Repository primary maintained by Omar Santanas, and includes thousands of resources related to all the ethical things those black knight hackers do in cybersecurity industries. The hacker roadmap. You need a roadmap to become a hacker. Well, the thing is, a hacker learns how to do things himself differently than other people. That's all you do is you. Yeah, anyways, I need a powerful script here. Hydra. No, it's not. Hacker toolkit, scanner box, a powerful open source toolkit for hackers, scanner automation, binary annotation, smart contracts. See, smart contracts is something to look into, but you know what? I call Bitcoin scam coins. Every Bitcoin has a kid behind it. Yeah. Monkey, infected monkey, an automated pen test tool. Sniper, attack surface management platform. We are going to find the raw power script to run with our Kali computer. What should we do here? I want to see if it's online here. Get that caps locks off, guys, okay? I'm just gonna... what? Okay, wait. So that's why CD AUT. Oh, remember capital SCAN. Whoa. So you want to change directory CD space. And we're going to go up here where it says auto scan. AUT. Oh, remember capital SCAN. Auto scan. Enter that. And then we're going to want to go auto scan. TAC I and the IP address you want to do your auto scan for. I think I'm missing one thing, but yeah, mass scan and nmap are installed, so I don't know if I'm missing something. Okay, so while that's running, yeah, and the cool thing is it doesn't come right back to my computer at my house. Like, say if I wasn't hacking my own laptop that's set up at my grandma's house. I know for a fact that's what this IP address goes to. I know that it's a Windows 7 laptop hooked up to a Wi-Fi with no updates. So if anybody knows how to get into one of those without physical access to it, let me know, because that's what I'm trying to do right now. Or see what I'm doing right now, you should be able to access that. Unless the power went out or the computer shut off or it went into sleep mode or something, in which case I'll make a phone call and get it turned back on. Every time it turns on, it tries to log into Steam, in which case an email gets sent logging the public IP address of the Steam login, and that's how I get the IP address of that router every time. And last time, I wonder... Okay, this is pretty boring, guys. Like, but we gotta wait for the scan to process to do anything. So please bear with me. Sometimes hacking ain't the funnest. Let's go back to GitHub. GitHub's pretty cool. And Skillshare. This is something I've been using lately. Not for hacking, but for learning Blender. Blender is something that I'm making lots of money off of right now. 3D characters and learning anything 3D. If you can do 3D on your resume, you're gonna make lots of money on the side. But yeah, right now Blender. Which one should I do? I'm a newbie. I've done one already where I've made a square and I've extruded and beveled and cut and done a couple other things. Changed some faces, but I'm ready to do something else. More edits, so. Design a statement table. Oh, that's cool. Explore brush print calligraphy. Learn how to work with this magic watercolor tool alongside Illustrator. Oh. Explore portrait photograph. Let's see how our scan's doing, eh, guys? Do you think it's done yet? Ah, it's not. It did find open ports, I hope. Okay, let's go back and check out some different scripts here. We want to search for Windows 7. Just like a native rat for Windows 7. That's what I'm looking for, guys. GoRat is a powerful remote access Trojan for Windows 7. I cannot put a Trojan on the target machine, but I am scanning it right now, and I'm pretty sure there's already some backdoors on it. I should be able to access the backdoors, right, guys? You would think. Right? You would think, right? That's cool. And you user by its nickname. That's awesome. Web Security Testing Guide is a comprehensive open source guide to testing the security of web applications and web service. Security guide. Yogi Shuka. Regime is an automated reconnaissance framework for web applications with a focused, highly configurable, streamlined recon process via engines, recon data, penetration testing POC, proof of concept, git shell, domain mod, XSS, yes? This might be good for me in XSS, eh? Because that could be a Windows 7 deal. We got 4.8 thousand stars. This might be something for me. Mr. Bounds. Penetration testing POC. Engage. Get up there. Warp speed. Okay. Blue keep. Look at this. Look. This looks like those things that are always in Windows, right? That's what we need. These things. Oh, how do we run this program here? Rogue server. Tools. I don't want to see no client side. Nothing. Looks like it's gonna, yeah, I think a D-Link RCE remote. Ooh, yeah, so hopefully they're using a D-Link router on that IP address I got. Or a TP-Link or a Windows print spooler. There we go. That's how we're way in right here. Right there. How bad is that vulnerability? I guarantee they got this. Because a Windows 7 computer, like, come on, right? Print nightmare proof concept and DLL injection. So I would have to do a DLL injection into that IP, maybe. How do we do this? We got this module requires Metasploit. Current source, okay. Requires Windows Air, Ruby SMB. Ooh, yeah, this might be good. See, this looks like all the stuff that Windows 7 got hacked from here that I remember reading about, but I never actually tried. Yeah, all the good authors are on there. Like, these are... It sucks you see all these Chinese authors, but that's how it works. Before, I'm opening some more. ARC64, retrieving the path of the printer driver directory. Oh yes, I think this is all legit. Especially when coming to China, you want to make sure, you know. Do you want to see how many, like, do you see that? Do you think that's not something that just hacked my computer right now? And they're keeping an eye on a hacker? Think about it, guys. I think so. But right now I got too much on my computer for me. Oh, look. Our scan is complete. I should have set up a ding, so when the scan was complete, it would ding. Like that, right? Too late. So, What do we do? What's the next step? Can you tell me what the next step is? Step number 2 is we gotta see what all these ports coincide with and maybe scan the port itself individually. 135.49155. Some of them look like router. I think that one. Let's do an nmap on this sucker. Not an auto scan, an nmap. Hey, I'll do a mass scan on the internet, man. Let's do nmap. Oh yeah. Tech. What? You think we can do the same thing we just did? I don't. We really don't. We can try. No. What I want to do is go man and map when you draw a blank on your commands, because man will give you every good little tidbit of command and extra commands. Like, look at this. Look. This is all on that nmap. And this is right on your computer all the time. So we want to use nmap/ss. No. I think we want to do I was thinking a fingerprint scan here. I'm trying to find fingerprint. I think it's PN. Right? What would that do if I just type that in, right? What would that do? Let's try it. Oh, wait. So nmap tag v space tag I capital R space 1,000,000 space tag capital PN space lowercase p space 80, and that all means 480 yada yada yada. It's trying to scan 496 hosts. Why not, right? You might as well learn how to do something with this Linode stuff. Having fun with Linode. That's what I should call this right now, because really that's really just what we're doing, is we're experimenting with Linode and learn with other things. So I wonder how long this is gonna take. I can write there with my pen. Oh yeah, I picked up a Wacom pen and drawing tablet for my Blender, because I'm taking Blender on Skillshare. I got a link in the video for my Skillshare. Sign up for Skillshare. It's really awesome if you want to learn 3D editing or anything, you know, any new skill that you don't have today. I just picked up a new tool to make me better at it. I thought it'd make it easier to do the pick up the skill. I hate how Windows always opens this stupid thing. It's like, God. So right now we're kind of on hold because I'm not scanning this address. I don't know what address this shit is scanning. It's just trying to find hosts that are discovered on, like, I guess close by, I guess. Why not? Ooh, what's this scanning? Ooh, look at all this. IP addresses. Remember, guys, this is all just a test. Do all this jazz. So this is what you get when you do nmap scan with those credentials. It's very, very noisy. 80 TCP. So with this information, what would you try to do next with this scan report for whatever? They save all these reports so we can go back later and read them. Initializing SYN stealth scan right now. Scanning is 1024 host 1 port, and that's port 80 because that's a magical port. And look at all those open ports. Yepers. I'm on making a video. I'm in the middle of just testing the internet. And we'll call it testing the internet. But I'll be up in a minute as soon as my test is done. Okay, you guys don't have to see my ugly mug, so I'm going to turn off the cam for a minute and mute the microphone.